Welcome to Small Talk Daily for Monday, October 4th, 2010. This morning I wanted to show you the new stuff that I've written to integrate with Twitter. Recently they went to xAuth from basic authentication and that kind of broke some of the stuff I had, so I had to write new support. Now it turns out there's an easier way of doing this. They have an xAuth system that allows you to do client desktop stuff without having to go through the three-legged OAuth thing completely. What I built is an xAuth interface in VisualWorks, or for that matter Object Studio, to Twitter. And to do that, let me just show you that this works. I'm going to execute this. That's going to go out and post, and I'll bring up this browser window and I'll refresh it. And you see there, posted from VisualWorks. See, it's posted there from my client. So that went up. Now let me show you how that actually was put together. So let's bring a browser into the view. And it turns out there's some basic support in here for xAuthenticator. So I have this class here. It's used for xAuth. And all it really does is put together the basics of this. So I put together from some basic settings. You have to go to Twitter and get the basic keys, so you have to request that from them. And then once you do that, you can put together these things to get credentials, which amounts to getting a token from them, which is basically making a specific HTTP request, getting the data back, and then putting together another request. And from that point forward, you just use the token instead of passing your username and password. So you can do simple stuff like this once you've stored that off, and I stored that off in a BOSS file. I could have stored it in something more secure than that, but I'm figuring it's on my client desktop. I'm not that worried about it. But that allows you to do stuff like send messages to Twitter from a desktop client. With the web, it's a little different. You have to go through the whole tri-legged OAuth thing, and I haven't written all that support. But I'm going to put this in the public store, so if you want to play with it, you'll be able to. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with small talk.